Class 9 in English, all about a dog. How many people got into the bus with the younger woman? A man and another woman got into the bus along with the younger woman. What is the conductor's order to the younger woman? The conductor ordered the younger woman to take the dog out. Why did the conductor stand triumphant when the younger woman went upstairs on the roof of the bus? The conductor stood triumphant. What is that rule which cannot be broken without danger to life and limbs? Rules such as the rules of the road cannot be broken without danger to life and limbs. The young woman carried a little Pekinese dog. The young woman was suffering from cough. The bell was pulled by the conductor. The number of policemen to whom the woman expressed her anger was 3. The problem the bus faced was with the engine. When did the author feel that trouble was coming up? When the conductor's eyes fell upon the very-eyed Pekinese dog the younger woman was carrying, the author feel that trouble was coming up. Mentions to demands made by the passengers when the bus stopped. The passengers demanded to call the police and report against the conductor and also to return their fares if the bus does not go any further. How are rules of guidance to be observed? Rules of guidance are meant to be observed in the speed and not in the letter of the law for the comfort of passengers. Class 9 English Autumn. Although the day the faithful goose shakes the casement, the poet loves to see the shaking twigs dance till the start of Effie. The sparrow sat on the cottage ridge. The pigeons nestled round the court. The cock was crowing upon the dunghill. The grunting pigs scrambled and hurried. The cock was crowing upon the dunghill. এখানে শেষ করছি। তোমরা সবাই লাইক এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।